Whenever I go to any shopping mall or a mart, I always check the expiry date of that product just to know its shelf life, because I cannot use any product after its expiry date. So like this, every organism present on this earth has its lifespan or shelf life. Now what lifespan actually means? Welcome to my course Reproduction in Organisms, where you will learn what is lifespan, examples of lifespan of some organisms, and correlation of lifespan with the size of an organism. Let's begin with the lifespan. Lifespan is a period from the birth to the natural death of an organism. I'll repeat, it's a period from the birth to the natural death of an organism. Now what natural death means? Natural death means is a death from an aging or illness. It should not be any accident or it should not be any violence. So every organism, when it dies, it leaves its dead body behind. But do you know there are some organisms who do not leave their even dead body behind when they die? Do you know who they are? They are unicellular organisms like amoeba, paramecium, etc. You still don't believe? Let me show you how. Here you can see the structure of an amoeba. When this amoeba gets mature, its nucleus divides, which is followed by the division of its cytoplasm. And finally, the parent amoeba divides into two daughter amoeba, which are of equal size. And after that, this parent amoeba disappears. Now you can see how the parent amoeba disappears and it does not leave its dead body behind. So this is how we can conclude that every organism present on this earth is immortal. Exception is single-celled organisms. Now I have a question for you. Why we keep fruit, vegetables, milk in the fridge but not cereals, pulses? Why? Do you know any reason behind it? Yes, it's shelf life. The shelf life of a milk is very less as compared to the shelf life of a cereals, pulses, etc. Like this, every organism present on this earth has its lifespan. And this lifespan varies from few days to the 1,000 years. For example, lifespan of a mayfly is just 1 day, whereas the lifespan of a peepal tree is 2,500 years. Can you see the huge difference between both? Yes, there is. Now, we are going to have a look at the lifespan of other organisms. Now, you can see here the list of organisms with their lifespan. For example, lifespan of an elephant is around 65 years. Lifespan of a rose flower is 5 to 7 years. Lifespan of a crow is 15 years. And the lifespan of a parrot is 140 years. Like this, every organism has its different lifespan. You can see in this chart. Have you noticed one thing? There are two organisms in this chart which are of equal size, but they have a huge difference in their lifespan. Let me show you. These are parrot and crow. Crow has a lifespan of just 15 years, whereas a parrot, which is of equal size, have a lifespan of 140 years. Why such a huge difference? This difference might be due to the genes or several environmental factors. Yes, I know this is really strange. So from here, we can conclude that lifespan of an organism is not necessarily correlated with its size. From here, we come at the end of this session. Let's conclude what we have studied so far. Lifespan is a period from birth to the natural death of an organism. Every organism present on this earth is immortal except single-celled organisms. Lifespan of an organism is not necessarily correlated with its size. But I have a question. If the lifespan is so limited, then how we can see diversity of organisms on this earth? For example, if the lifespan of a flower or a rose is just 5 to 7 years, then it should have died. How we can see the rose flower till now? In the future session, we are going to discuss about the reproduction and its importance. Till then, keep watching Tutorac.